Hi there, today we're going to be making puppets. To start, place your paper bag in front of you with the bottom flap facing up. This will be your face. Now you can start gluing on your eyes and other facial features that your puppet is going to have. For example, a nose, some hair, a mouth, whatever you want to use and create with the stuff that we gave you is just fine. Make sure you're being creative. This is your puppet, so make sure it's unique. Now you can start decorating the rest of your puppet with markers and whatever else you had around the house. For example, I had that feather, so I wanted to add a feather to my puppet. Now I started to draw a mouth because all puppets need to be able to talk, but I want you to do it however you want to do it. Once your glue is finished drying, your puppet is complete. Feel free to have some fun and get creative. This is my puppet Murphy, and he likes to tell jokes. Thanks for watching!